Alright, so if you're watching this and you think the only way to lose fat and get lean is to eat chicken, rice, broccoli, and meal prep every single day, what if I told you that you can lose fat and keep it off while eating all of this? So today I'm challenging myself to eat under 1,800 calories while only eating Thai street food. No meal prep, no calorie burning workouts, just real macros, real accountability. So let's see if it's actually possible to lose fat while enjoying the best food that Thailand can offer. First stop, breakfast. Let's go. All right, so I'm going with the chicken thigh. I'm going with sticky rice, but I probably won't eat all of it just to optimize my macros. And I'm going with vegetables because vegetables you need for high volume, keep you fuller longer, and they're low calorie as well. All right, so we went with the ultimate classic gayang, which is grilled chicken. They didn't have breasts, so all they had was thigh. Yeah, so for this particular meal, I'm removing the skin from the chicken, not because it's, you know, unhealthy or anything. It's super delicious, but if I'm trying to cut, I'm gonna be trying to save calories. And so you guys know that chicken thigh is more calorie dense than obviously breast because of the fat content, and if you eat the skin as well. The skin is probably going to add 100 to 150 calories, which most people don't realize. So for the sake of this video, if I'm trying to cut eating street food, I'm going to try to manage my calories a lot smarter. So I'm just going to remove the skin. So we're starting off with high protein, some vegetables, some carbohydrates. Obviously, I'm not going to eat all the rice because one, I didn't work out today, and two, rice is pretty calorie dense, so not a lot of Asian people understand or realize that, you know, 1 cup of rice could be 150 calories to 200 calories, and it can go down quite fast. And so I'm always moderating the amount of rice that I eat during a cut. And so, yeah, we're gonna dive in here. Got some cabbage. Let's taste. Obviously, we need nam jim cheo, which is the Thai spicy sauce. And all the tracking, I'm gonna be guesstimating because I've been tracking for like over 10 years now. So my guess is usually quite accurate, but let's see. So I did calculate already, 470 calories for this meal and 45 grams of protein. I think that's a great start to the day to meet my 1,800 calorie target today. So let's enjoy the food. All right, we are at Maevari and we're gonna get mango sticky rice, aka Konyao Mamuang. I hope I did not butcher that. So as you'll see, we are in Thonglor, so this is more like an upscale Thai street food type video. And so this place is pretty world famous. Always got a line. It's probably regarded as one of the best mango sticky rice here. So I'm gonna show you how you can eat mango sticky rice, still stick to your goals, and still enjoy life. Let's go order. Yeah, bro, this place is pretty much printing money. I'm not sure how long they've been around, but definitely money printers. ข้าวเหนียวเดียวครับ
ข้าวเหนียวอย่างเดียวหรือข้าวเหนียวมะม่วง
มะม่วงอันนี้ครับเท่าไหร่ครับ
160ครับ
160 บาท Okay, ครับเสร็จแล้วครับ
โอเคจะเรียบร้อย
ขอบคุณครับ So if I was cutting at the moment and I wanted to enjoy mango sticky rice, I could hold the condensed milk just for ease of fucking comfort right now. I'm not gonna pour it on. Let's say you add a teaspoon. It's probably around 50 calories. So I'm pretty much, I could eat all the mango and I'm gonna guess it's around 150 grams of mango. And I'll probably eat half of the sticky rice. And so I will drop the screenshot of how I tracked it, but I'm not gonna do it at this moment. But I'm telling you guys, you can enjoy delicious things like this. It's fucking sweet, bro. It's so good. All right, so we are at the Commons Thonglor. As I mentioned, this is the upscale version of Thai street food on a cut. This is a place I hang around at quite often. Good social spot. You pretty much have different vendors that you can order from, and then you just grab a table, eat Thai food, Italian food, juices, lots of stuff. And so we're just gonna order from this northern Thai food restaurant here. Probably gonna get some pork neck and some somtam. Okay, so far we've had breakfast at the street food stall with chicken, and we had the mango sticky rice for a snack. So far, we're at 622 calories. for 47 grams of protein. So we are pretty much a third way there, which is pretty good so far, and I'm pretty satisfied. So follow me and let's order some, I think it's northern food. สวัสดีครับเอาข้าวหมูย่างครับแล้วก็ส้มตำไทยไข่เค็มเผ็ดน้อย So just for some perspective, the gayang that we had for the first meal, 150 baht, which is like $6. And we had 2 chicken thighs, 2 sticky rice, cabbage, and a fried egg. And here I ordered pork neck and somtam, 460 baht. So more than double. You can eat cheap if you want, for sure, but also if you're eating more in this more upscale area of Thonglor, Ekamai, Prongpong, Asok, you're going to be paying the premium, especially in a nice establishment like this. But I'm not complaining, I'm just giving you guys some perspective. Let's wait for our food. All right, we got kamuyang, which is pork neck and somtam, and again, sticky rice. I like pork neck because it's got some fat content, but also mostly lean. And so it's a pretty optimal choice for a protein. Obviously, somtam is really low calorie because it's just, unripened papaya. People complain about the sugar in it. Honestly, adding the sugar doesn't add too many calories, so just do what you want for taste. And the sticky rice, I'll probably eat about half of that. This is our lunch, and after this meal, it's a total of 1,000 calories and 81 grams of protein, which means after a snack, we'll probably do Thai coffee, and then for dinner, we're probably gonna do a Krapao at Genius Bar, my restaurant. We got 800 calories left, and we have to fulfill about 60 to 80 grams of protein, which is quite a feat, but we're gonna try to do it. And even if we don't hit it, it's not a big deal. We're just gonna ask ourselves how we can improve tomorrow. So lesson here is don't get stuck on one day if you don't hit your calorie targets or protein targets. Just do it the next day. Hey, neighbors, good to see you. Those are my neighbors. So yeah, let's dig in. One of my favorite dishes is kamuyang. Not bad. You gotta eat onion with your hands. The real Thai way. When you're ordering Thai tea, it's quite calorie dense because they're adding a lot of syrup and a lot of condensed milk. Actually, most of the calories come from condensed milk. And so I told him for less sweet, and I should tell him less condensed milk. Hey, guys. Anyหน่อยได้ไหมครับ
อันไหนลูกเดือน
นม
ก่อนอันนี้สวิตอันนี้โนสวิต
โอเคนม
อันไหนนี่หน่อยอันนี้นี่หน่อยอันนี้
Okay, no. I hate being this guy, but I'm gonna hate this guy. So I mean, put 2 healthy tablespoons of the condensed milk in there. I'm gonna guess it's around 100 calories total, but I will confirm with sending you guys a screenshot showing you how much the Thai tea really is. So he did add some evaporated milk on top. Probably gonna add another 50 calories. Eating food.
35โอเคขอบคุณครับ thank you
Yeah, so I just want to remind you guys, eating food, fat loss, dieting, it's not just about cutting everything out of your life and restricting calories. No, restricting food. Yes, you have to restrict calories, but it doesn't mean you need to restrict enjoyment from your life. So the reason why I believe tracking calories is so important is because it gives you awareness. It gives you a tool to learn how to factor in drinks and foods like this so you can enjoy moderate portions, still lose fat, still be happy, to not be miserable, and enjoy a sustainable lifestyle. The key word is sustainable here. So let's try this. Woo! Even when I told him less sweet, it is fucking sweet too. Yeah, so I'm guessing 150 calories, but I will definitely not drink the whole thing. Genuinely because I don't enjoy it this sweet. So that's the snack of the day. I'm guessing that's probably maybe 3 grams of protein because of the milk. And 1,150 calories, let's guess. And it's almost dinner time, and we have about 600 to 700 calories left. Let's go to the next spot. It's going to be Genius Bar, my spot, for the best bougie Krapao in Bangkok. Let's go. All right, so this is our last stop. It's an early dinner. It's around 5:30 p.m., so the sun is still out. And we are going to another upscale place, which is my restaurant, Genius Bar. We do Thai street food dishes, and today we're gonna have Krapao, which is a Thai holy basil dish, one of the main staples of Thai street food cuisine. Yeah, something I'm pretty proud of here. Food menu by Darren Liu Fitness. And of course, scan to follow me for more fitness tips. We have bone broth served hot, which is super niche because we live in such a hot country, but we still serve bone broth very hot. Frozen as well, so people can stock it up for as long as they want. And obviously our best sellers, we got the grass-fed beef Krapao from Australia, a pumpkin Krapao beef, which a dish that I invented because I just wanted some low calorie, high volume vegetables in my diet. And so about 100 grams of pumpkin is like 25 calories, which is a super hack. And then we have other dishes like pad thai fried rice. We do no sugar here. We just use stevia and things like that. And yeah, so I ordered a beef Krapao with an egg and rice, and that should complete my macros for the day. And let me calculate it first, and then I'm gonna show you guys what my total calorie and protein intake is for the day. Yeah, so we're giving away free broth if you can do 10 locked out wide grip pull-ups, or for men, 1.5 minutes of a dead hang. And for women, actually it's the same for men and women. I think it's 10 pull-ups for men and 8 pull-ups for women. So let's just do it. See if I still got it. Three, chin over bar, lock up. 2. Let's go, give me my free broth. Okay, so the Krapao has arrived. Grass-fed beef, 1 egg. So this is around 640 calories if I remember, and 38 grams of protein. And so we finished off the entire day today at about 1,840 calories, so 40 calories over target, with only 120 grams of protein. Now, this is going to happen if you don't plan ahead a lot, which I didn't really plan today. I knew which spots that I wanted to go to, and I just picked the most optimal feeling dish that I could order. If I were to try to bump up my protein tomorrow, let's say, I'd probably change the chicken thigh in the morning to a chicken breast if I can. And that switch alone can bump up the protein amount by another 10 to 20 grams of protein. So small little changes like that, you can really optimize having higher protein for less calories. And that's the ultimate goal with fat loss, right? You want to eat as much food as possible for the most amount of protein, for the least amount of calories, while still enjoying the foods that you love. And so I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you want to visit my spot, it's called geniusbar.bkk on Instagram. Hit us up and comment which of these meals was the best looking to you. Which ones would you actually try? Which ones could you eat every day? And yeah, hopefully the takeaway from this video is that you can really enjoy all the foods that you love, including Thai street food, and still lose body fat. Subscribe, like, share with your friends, and if you're ever in Bangkok, I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.